Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So as you can see, today I'm wearing a very strong makeup. So you've probably seen it in the title that I am doing a rainbow makeup for the LGBTQ plus community. So I attempted to do this look. Just a quick disclaimer before we start this video that I am not a makeup artist. I have no idea what I'm doing. I attempted a cut crease as you can see, so please be easy on me. Try not to be mean about it. This video is just fun and support for the LGBTQ plus people. If you're interested on how I did this look, then please make sure you keep on watching. So today's video is a collaboration with one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Roxanne. I'm going to link her channel down below. We both attempted to do a rainbow makeup for the LGBTQ plus community, where I would like to show my support to all members of LGBTQ community. as you can see, I changed my lip. I didn't realise that pink colour on my lips. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you subscribe down below. Also give me a like. I love to read your comments, guys, so please make sure you leave a comment down below as well. Make sure you please check out Roxanne's channel as well, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye!